Good morning, class. Let us start with our next class for practical geometry. In yesterday's class, we discussed about the construction of parallel lines, how we draw one line is given to us, how we draw another line to make both the lines parallel, right? Today, we will going to study the next topic, that is the construction of triangles. Construction of triangles. Why I am saying triangles? Because we will not do only one type of triangle, we'll be doing various. And how we will do it, I think before we have already discussed in the chapter Congruency of the Triangle. Making use of that, we'll be constructing various angles with different measurements. So for that, we need to have a brief about congruency of triangles. How many congruency rules are there for the triangles? We have 5 congruency rules. I hope you know that. We have 5 congruency rules. That is namely SSS, that is side, side, side. SAS, side, angle included side. ASA, angle, side included angle. AAS, that is angle, angle, side. This side can be any side, may not be included. And RHS, that is right angle, hypotenuse side. So using this 5 congruency, we'll be constructing various angles, various triangles. Today we are going to do the construction based on these 2 congruencies, SSS and SAS. What will happen? Why we are making use of congruency? Because by making use of congruency, what do you mean by congruency? The figures which are in same shape, size and which can superimpose each other. Superimpose each other means if I put other figure or other triangle over other, they must cover up each other. Understand? In this, basically when we have to construct a triangle, maybe 3 sides are given to us. Based on that, we are using SSS congruency to construct. Maybe 2 sides are given to us and 1 angle is given to us. Based on that, we will be using SAS congruency to construct a triangle. Similarly, ASA, AAS and RHS. Are we clear with this? So, let's get started with the first construction, the first SSS. So, based on SSS congruency, we will be doing first SSS congruency rule or criterion, whatever you want to say, both are correct. Clear? Now first thing, exercise 10.2 will be doing. First question, it is given that very important is you must draw a rough figure. Draw a rough figure, or we call a rough sketch. It's very important because based on that you can draw the replica of the same here. Based on that, maybe the variation is there, but you have an idea. The question states that construct a triangle XYZ, in which construct a triangle XYZ, okay, will be constructed. Very small rough figure, X, Y, Z, okay, it is given. XY is 4.5 centimeter. This is YZ is 5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. This particular triangle we have to draw. Again, the rule is very simple. Whatever, see, the base if you want to include, you can use either YZ as a base or XY as the base or XZ as a base. You can use 4.5, 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter as a base. That's not a question. Only the orientation of the triangle will change. Orientation means the orientation kindly basically means the shape, not the shape, sort of angle orientation. For example, right now it is like this, maybe it will become like this. That is what orientation, the angle, okay, the angle orientation will change. Let's see, let's draw. First of all, what we'll do, we'll draw YZ of 5 centimeter, YZ of 5 centimeter, done. Now what will you do? You have to put a point X. Okay, from Y the value of X is 4.5. Open your arc for 4.5 centimeter and put it here. cut one arc, draw one arc. Normally the arc will come, for example, arc comes here and this arc is of 4.5. Join this 4.5. Done. So one part is done. Next, now Z and X distance is 6 centimeter. So again you will open your compass for 6 centimeter, put it here and draw and cut this arc. This 6 centimeter arc will definitely cut it because it is of 4.5 and it is of 6 centimeter. It will definitely cut each other. Okay, so for example, this is the arc I am cutting here. Again, join, and this is 6 centimeter, and this point is Y. This is what is a required triangle in this. So what we have done, let us write once again the steps of construction. Steps of construction. It's very easy. First, draw a line segment YZ of 5 centimeter. Why I am saying line segment? Because measurement is already given to us. That is why. Clear? Next, with Y as a center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter with Z as a center, draw an arc of 6 centimeter cutting 4.5 centimeter arc. Are we clear? Next, 4 point, mark the point of intersection as Y, because Y is given to us, because triangle XYZ. Next, join XY and XZ. Thus, triangle XYZ is a required triangle. Any doubt anyone is having? What will be the steps of construction for this? Clear? Any doubt anyone is having? Very easy, very easy. Much easier than parallel lines. Frankly speaking, much easier than parallel lines. The construction of parallel lines. Okay. Let us do question number 2. Question number 2, construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. Okay, constructing equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter is not a big deal. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? Is all sides are equal. Secondly, each angle is 60 degrees. Very easy. I am going to tell you what you have to do. First of all, question number 2, you will draw the 5.5 centimeter line segment. You can name it as BC. Now open your arc 5.5 centimeter, put it here, draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter, join. Similarly, put the arc here, again the compass here, draw again arc of 5.5 centimeter, join. You got the required equilateral triangle. Any doubt? Very easy, no problem. Question number 3. Question number 3, in I think isosceles triangle is given. Draw a triangle PQR. PQ is 4 centimeter. PQ is 4 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter, and this is again 4 centimeter. It's an equilateral. It's an isosceles triangle. Why? Because two sides are equal. Again, very easy. 3.5 centimeter arc as QR. Open your arc for 4 centimeter. Put it here. Draw an arc of 4 centimeter. Join. Again. Put it here, draw an arc of 4 centimeter, cutting it, join. You got the required triangle. Any doubt anyone is having in this question? Very easy to do. So construction is very easy. By far construction is becoming very easy. Okay. Next we are doing, next rule will be doing SAS, means side included angle. Side. Exercise 3.3. Let me put it here. So exercise 3.3, SAS congruency rule or criteria. First question, definitely in this two sides will be given to us and one of the angles will be given to us. First question is, let us understand, we'll be learning few more terminologies according to it. Question number 1, Construct a triangle DEF such that construct a triangle DEF such that DE is 5 centimeter, DF is 3 centimeter, and EDF, very important, DE is 5 centimeter, DF is 3 centimeter, and EDF is 90 degree. You have to understand the meaning of this very important term from here. First of all, what is M doing here? This M stands for measure. Means measure of angle is 90 degree. And EDF means he's talking about angle D. At angle D, it is 90 degree. This is very important. The between part, because angle is formed by two arms. Angle is always formed by two arms. For example, ABC. So we always write like ABC. This angle will be written as ABC. We cannot write BAC because this is the angle we are talking about. This angle we are talking about, that has to be in between. Okay, done. So let's draw the rough figure. It's E, it's D, it's F, it's 90 degree, it's 3 centimeter, it's 5 centimeter. Okay, very easy to do. Let's do it. Let's draw. First of all, DF. For example, it is 3 centimeter I am considering. Now, you might be thinking angle we can draw with the protractor. No, 90 degree. You know that angles divisible by 15 degree can be easily drawn by compass. I hope you know that. So 90 degree is purely divisible by 15 because 15 fours is 90. Yeah, so we can do it. So again, semicircle, put it here 30 degree, then here, then the arc here, then the cut, and then we'll be drawing 90 degrees. So this is what is 90 degree. Mention here 90 degrees very clearly. Then it is given D is 5 centimeter. D is 5 centimeter. Again, open your compass of 5 centimeter. Put it here. Cut. Draw an arc of 5 centimeter. For example, arc is here 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Name it as E and join this with this. Hence, you will be getting a required triangle. Do remember, you have to write the measurement of this. Have to write. Measure it with the scale and write it. It's very important. Do write the measurements very clearly. Now, you might be thinking, so why we have taken SAS congruency? Since 90 degrees there, why not RHS congruency? See, RHS congruency stands when right angle, hypotenuse and side is given. Here, we have been given perpendicular and base. We are not given hypotenuse. Hence, I am not going to consider this question in the category of RHS congruency. Because hypotenuse is not given, we have been given perpendicular and base and the included angle between it. That is why I am using SAS congruency. So don't get confused, why not RHS? Because hypotenuse is not given. If hypotenuse and right angle would have been given, I would have definitely constructed this in the category of RHS congruency. That is very important. Clear? Any doubt anyone is having? Again, I am repeating. Draw DF 3 centimeter. At D, make an angle of 90 degree with the help of compasses only. Draw the arc properly. And then cut at D, keeping the center. Cut an arc of 5 centimeter. And then join D with F. You'll be getting a required triangle. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having in this? Question number 2. So do remember the measurements or the angles which are divisible by 15 degree. We can easily draw them with the help of a compass. That's not a problem. Because bisectors, rule is bisectors. We can draw the bisectors for them. That's why we can draw them with the help of compass. Question number 2. It states that, just see. In question number 2, it is given, construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of its equal side is 6.5. The length of its equal sides 6.5 centimeter, and the angle between them is 110 degree. Let's draw the rough sketch first. Let me say 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. We don't know this, we have to measure, and let it be 110. ABC. What do you think? Is my rough sketch okay or correct? As for the, I have done it. Is it okay? Let's know. What do you think? It's correct? It's not correct. It's not correct. Do you know why? Observe this angle. It's 110. More than 90 degree but less than 180. Such angles are known as obtuse angles. And the triangle which includes obtuse angle are known as obtuse angle triangle. And what is the shape of an obtuse angle? If I tell you this is acute, this is 90 degree and this is obtuse. Yes or no? I told you earlier also in 100 classes lines and angles, I told you it's acute, it's 90 and it's obtuse. So in this form, this is not the correct construction of the rough sketch. It would have been 6.65, 110, obtuse means more than 90, more than 90 means this. This is 110 degree and this would be 6.5. For example, join it, and hence we got the required triangle. Sketch. So this way, this is very, very important to construct a rough sketch. Even if you are drawing, you need to be very careful. Angles are very important. 110 means obtuse. Obtuse always more than 90 degree. Angle needs to look like that. It is an acute angle triangle, and here it is an obtuse angle triangle. This is the main thing. So what you will do in this question again, you will take whatever the naming, for example BC, you can write 6.5 with the help of protector, because 110 is not divisible by 15 degrees, so we'll use the protector because we don't have any other alternate to it. Use the protector. 110 degree, for example this is 110 degree. After again cut an arc of 6.5, keeping here 6.5 arc, name it as A, it is 6.5. Now join AC, and hence we got the required triangle. Are we clear with this? With this, the topic, your exercise 10.2 and 10.3 is over here. Means they are over. Not a problem. Exercise 10.2 and 10.3 are over at this particular point. We have studied two congruency rule, SSS and SAS. Next, tomorrow we'll be going to study about ASA and RHS, or maybe AAS. So three congruency rules we'll be studying in the next upcoming exercises, that are 10.4 and 10.5. Till then, take care and have a wonderful day.